Welcome back to Loadbalancer.org. Today we will look at how to set up a Layer 7 virtual service. To create a new Layer 7 virtual service, head to Cluster Configuration, Layer 7 Virtual Services. Click Add a new virtual service. You will be asked to fill out the following form. Label: an arbitrary name that you will use to refer to the service. IP address: a free IP address in the network configured on the load balancer. Ports: this is the port on which the service will listen. Layer 7 protocol. HTTP mode: this is used in deployment of the web servers. It can handle HTTP traffic only. Or TCP mode allows you to create a simple pass-through for any TCP traffic. Simply click Create or Update, and your virtual service will be created. You will be prompted to reload HA proxy in order to make the newly created service functional. Also, you can go back into your service to make further modifications by clicking Modify. Now when you head back to the System Overview page, you will see your new virtual IP being displayed and marked as down. This is nothing to worry about. It will show as such until you add real servers. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos.